Here I've got Meizu 16 and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all you have to open the settings, then find and select fingerprint, face and security, and now you just have to scroll down until you see SIM card lock. Just mark it, and as you can see now it is required, and if you'd like to change it just click on change SIM PIN, enter the current one, and now provide the new one. Then re-enter the second one to confirm, tap on OK, and that's it. As you can see, it has been already changed, and that would be all. Obviously, you can deactivate SIM PIN, sorry. So just mark it here, enter your PIN, and from now on, it will not be required. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.